Imagine waking up each day knowing you have a skill that allows you to earn comfortably from home. A skill that not only supports your family financially, but also gives you the flexibility to focus on your ibadah and family responsibilities. Sisters, in today's world, this is not just a dream, it is possible. Now think about this. What if the key to unlocking this opportunity is learning just one high-paying skill? A skill that doesn't require a degree, doesn't need you to leave your home, and can be learned for free. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, stay with me because insha'Allah, I'm about to show you exactly how this works. As-salaamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My dear sisters, welcome to today's section. Insha'Allah, we will explore practical ways to learn high-paying skills that can transform your life and your family's future. So grab your notebook and let's begin. Let's begin by answering an important question. Why should you, as a Muslim woman, consider learning a high-paying skill? Number one, financial independence. Times are tough, especially in Nigeria's current economy. As wives and mothers, we want to contribute to our family's well-being without compromising our rules. Learning a high-paying skill gives us financial independence and a chance to support our household. Reason number two, emergency preparedness. Life is unpredictable, and having a skill to fall back on can be a lifesaver. It's always good to prepare for unforeseen circumstances. We are Muslims. Number three, thriving in a digital economy. The world is becoming increasingly digital. Businesses, schools, and even our efforts are moving online. Skills like digital marketing, graphic design, or software development allow you to participate in this growing economy. So reason number four, flexibility for moms. These skills are highly flexible. You can work from home, choose your hours, and still be present for your family. Number five, sunnah of seeking beneficial knowledge. Seeking knowledge is an act of worship. The Prophet Muhammad ﷺ said, whoever treads a path seeking knowledge, Allah will make a path to paradise easy for him. Imagine combining this reward with the ability to earn halal income. So sweet. So sisters, this isn't just about money making. It's about empowering yourself, supporting your family, and even giving more in sadaqah to help others. Now that we have understood why, let's talk about what high-paying skills are. A high-paying skill is simply a specialized ability skill that is in high demand. These are skills that people or companies are willing to pay good money for because they solve important problems. Here are several examples of high-paying skills we will explore in this video. Number one, digital marketing. Number two, graphic design. Number three, data analysis. Number four, software development. Number five, freelance writing. Number six, virtual assistance. And number seven, video editing. Don't worry, if you are new to all this, I will explain what each skill is, why it is valuable, and where you can start learning for free. Let's dive into each skill now. First on the list is digital marketing. What is digital marketing? It is promoting businesses or services online using social media, email, SEO, which is search engine optimization, and adverts. Why is it valuable? Every business today needs an online presence to grow. Whether it is a local tailor or a big e-commerce store, they rely on digital marketers to bring in customers for them. So where can you learn it for free? Google Digital Garage. This platform offers free courses on digital marketing basics. HubSpot Academy. Another excellent platform with free resources on email marketing, content marketing, and more. All these are all about digital marketing. The second skill is graphic design. What is graphic design? Graphic design involves creating visual content like logos, flyers, and social media posts that grab attention. Why is it valuable? Businesses need attractive visuals to stand out in today's crowded market. If you are creative and enjoy art, this is a great skill for you. Where can you learn it for free? Canva Design School. Canva is a free tool you can use to create stunning designs. YouTube tutorials. There are thousands of free tutorials to get you started. Next, we have data analysis. What is data analysis? It is the process of analyzing information to help businesses make decisions. For example, an online store might use data analysis to see which products are selling fast. Why is it valuable? Companies pay very well for people who can analyze data and give them insights because it's going to help their business grow a lot. So, where can you learn it for free? Khan Academy. This academy offers great introductory courses on statistics. Then Coursera is there. With financial aid, you can access high-quality courses from top universities. Number 4, software development. Another excellent option is software development. Though it may take longer period than all those ones we have mentioned previously, but you can start learning alongside with whatever job you are having right now. What is software development? It involves writing code to create apps, websites, or software programs. Why is it valuable? The tech industry is booming, and software developers are in high demand. Where can you learn it for free? FreeCodeCamp, a fantastic platform for beginners. It's highly beginner friendly. The Odin Project, another great resource for learning to code. You're going to love it. If you've never opened the Odin Project before, please go and open it now and start learning from there. Number 5, freelance writing. Let's talk about freelance writing. What is freelance writing? Freelance writers create content for blogs, websites, or businesses. Why is it valuable? Good writing is always in demand, whether it is for articles, product descriptions, or social media posts. Where can you learn it for free? On Skillshare. Skillshare offers a free trial period, so you can start from there. YouTube, you will find plenty of tutorials on improving your writing. Even on Coursera with financial aid, you are good to go. There are a lot of courses on writing that you can learn from there as well. Next is virtual assistant. What is virtual assistant? A virtual assistant helps businesses with tasks like managing emails, scheduling, or handling social media accounts. Why is it valuable? Small business owners rely heavily on virtual assistants to keep their operations running smoothly. Where can you learn it for free? YouTube, Coursera, and most of other platforms we have mentioned in the past. Finally, we have video editing. What is video editing? Video editors create polished, professional videos for YouTubers, for businesses or events. Why is it valuable? Video is the most consumed type of media today. Everyone from influencers to brands needs video editors. Where can you learn it for free? CapCut tutorials. CapCut is free and user-friendly. You can learn a lot from it. Also YouTube, there are countless tutorials available. You can also go to Udemy. You can go to this Udemy for free courses. You can as well go to Coursera. So there are a lot of platforms that you can learn video editing from. Now that you know about these skills, let's talk about how to get started. The very first step in achieving your goal is to choose one skill that aligns with your interest. Number 2, dedicate at least an hour daily to learn. If you can give it 2 hours or even more, that is the best, but at least for a start, dedicate 1 hour to learn. Number 3, use free platforms to start. Don't start paying different coaches here and there. Stop buying courses that you don't even know what it consists. Start learning for free. I've given you names of some free platforms. Try to write them down somewhere. The next step is practice with small projects. As you are learning, make sure you keep practicing. Number 5 is create a portfolio to showcase your work. Remember, sisters, while learning and earning, keep your intentions pure. Make dua for beneficial knowledge and halal risk. For example, Allahumma inni as'aluka ilman nafi'an wa rizqan tayyiban wa amalan mutaqabbala. Oh Allah, I ask you for beneficial knowledge, goodly provision, and acceptable dates. This other dua is very good for knowledge. To Rabbi zidni ilma. My Lord, increase me in knowledge. These duas will insha'Allah bring barakah into your efforts. Jazakumullah khairan for watching. If you found this helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more beneficial content. May Allah grant us success in dunya and akhirah. As-salaamu alaikum. Bye.